Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Core Mathematics, WASSCE September 2024. Objective question number 12. The range of a sample of 10 numbers is 5, and the largest value is 50. What is the least value? So with this particular question, we have a sample of 10 numbers, that is 10 different numbers. And for these 10 different numbers, we are told that the range here is 5. So the range of the 10 numbers is 5. And again, the largest value is 50. So the largest value is the same as the highest value. So I'm representing the highest value as h. We are told that the highest value is 50. So with this, we have to find the least value. So I'm representing the least value as L. So now we know that to calculate the range of a raw data, we use this formula. The range is equal to the highest value minus the least value. So with this, we can do a substitution. We know the range as 5, the highest value as 50, so minus L. So we are looking for L. So let's make L the subject. So I'm bringing L to the left hand side. So L is equal to 50. Then we transpose positive 5 to the right. It becomes minus 5. So L is equal to, so 50 minus 5, that is 45. So the least number here is 45. So the right answer is option D. Thanks for watching.